Good day, America. My friend, my name is Slava. Today I could receive some thoughts about prices. And technology. Of 125 trillions dollars USA per year, approximately. Starting domain price of brilliance, 1 gram, or 5 carats, cost $250,000 USA of natural brilliance. It means that 1 kilogram cost $250 million USA. It means that 1 ton cost $250 billion USA. Diamonds and coal have similar formula. Natural equal synthetical. Synthesis over nature in 1 million times. By the way of multi-circular mass densification. My friend, you achieve by the synthesis needable prices balance. For example, 1 ton of Kuzba's coal cost $30 USA per 1 ton. From 1 ton of Kuzba's coal, we create 1 gram of Kuzba's coal plasma. By the price, $30 USA per 1 gram. It means that 1 ton of Kuzba's coal plasma cost $30 million USA. From 1 ton of Kuzba's coal plasma, you create 1 gram of Kuzba's synthetical diamonds industry. By the price, $30 million USA per 1 gram, or $6 million USA per 1 carat, or 30 trillions dollars USA per 1 ton. Next task: to use 800 trillion kilowatt of energy of Kuzba's coal for production of 1 ton of synthetical brilliance from Kuzba's coal price. Kuzba's coal buys the price $1 trillion of the United States of America. It means that another hand of the price and technology are energy. 800 trillion kilowatt of energy per 1 ton, or $1 trillion, you say, per 1 ton. Per year, per month, per week, per day, per hour, per minute, per second, per millisecond, per microsecond, per nanosecond, per picosecond. My friend, use digital metrics of text as analogical for different tasks. In first digital edition, we will talk about 3,000 approximated price, or less. Real wealth approximate digitally $2 trillion USA per 1 ton of digital base. In digital base. My friend, you have computer program and must mathematically decipher digital metrics of the trillion formula. Read with God. Visit our website, World Wide Web, VGRZIBOVSKYYTEZ.LV. World Wide Web Vgrzhibovskiysynthos.LV. Censuses per year of 50,000 tons of the gold. Per 1 ton in USA dollars, 1 trillion. Censuses per year of 50,000 tons of the oil. Per 1 ton, 1 trillion USA dollars. Censuses per year of 50,000 tons of the coal. Per 1 ton, $1 trillion US of the United States of America. Censuses per year of 50,000 tons of the gas. Per 1 ton, $1 trillion USA. Censuses per year of 50,000 tons of the steel. Per 1 ton, $1 trillion USA. Censuses per year of 50,000 tons of the steel. Per 1 ton, $1 trillion USA. Censuses per year of 50,000 tons of the rubber. Per 1 ton, $1 trillion USA. Visit our website, World Wide Web, VgrzhibovskiySynthos.LV. Censuses per year of 50,000 tons of the bitumen. Per 1 ton, $1 trillion USA. Censuses per year of 50,000 tons of the cast iron. Per 1 ton, $1 trillion USA. Censuses per year of 50,000 tons of the glass. Per 1 ton, $1 trillion USA. Censuses per year of 50,000 tons of the tree. Per 1 ton, $1 trillion USA. Censuses per year of 50,000 tons of the wood. Per 1 ton, $1 trillion USA. Censuses per year of 50,000 tons of the cloth. Per 1 ton, $1 trillion USA. Censuses per year of 50,000 tons of the cotton fabric. Per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Censuses per year of 50,000 tons of the wool mixture. Per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Censuses per year of 50,000 tons of the footwear. Per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Censuses per year of 50,000 tons of the radio sets. Per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Censuses per year of 50,000 tons of the television set. Per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Censuses per year of 50,000 tons of the medicaments. Per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Censuses per year of 50,000 tons of the brilliants. Per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Censuses per year of 50,000 tons of the emeralds. Per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Censuses per year of 50,000 tons of the antique. Per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Censuses per year of 50,000 tons of the meat. Per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Censuses per year of 50,000 tons of the poultry. Per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Censuses per year of 50,000 tons of the pork. Per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Censuses per year of 50,000 tons of the beef. Per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Censuses per year of 50,000 tons of the veal. Per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Censuses per year of 50,000 tons of the roast veal. Per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Censuses per year of 50,000 tons of the mouton. Per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Censuses per year of 50,000 tons of the lamb. Per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Censuses per year of 50,000 tons of the milk. Per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Censuses per year of 50,000 tons of the kefir. Per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Censuses per year of 50,000 tons of the razhenka. Per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Censuses per year of 50,000 tons of the yogurt. Per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Censuses per year of 50,000 tons of the preserves. Per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Censuses per year of 50,000 tons of the tobacco. Per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Censuses per year of 50,000 tons of the cheese. per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Fences superior 50,000 ton of the fat, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Fences superior 50,000 ton of the boiled sausages, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Fences superior 50,000 ton of the smoked sausages, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Fences superior 50,000 ton of the half-smoked sausages, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Fences superior 50,000 ton of the cosmetics, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Fences superior 50,000 ton of the household chemical goods, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Fences per year 50,000 ton of the automobiles, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Fences per year 50,000 ton of the aircraft, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Fences per year 50,000 ton of the tractors, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Fences per year 50,000 ton of the sports armament, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Fences per year 50,000 ton of the pearls, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Fences per year 50,000 ton of the synthetic oil, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Fences per year 50,000 ton of the liquid coal, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Fences per year of 50,000 ton of the gas form coal, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Fences per year of 50,000 ton of the dry form oil, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Fences per year of 50,000 ton of the solid oil, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Fences per year of 50,000 ton of the gas form oil, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Fences per year of 50,000 ton of the natural gasoline, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Fences per year of 50,000 ton of the sweets, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Fences per year of 50,000 ton of the chocolate, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Fences per year of 50,000 ton of the lemonade, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Fences per year of 50,000 ton of the shares, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Fences per year of 50,000 ton of the banknote, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Fences per year of 50,000 ton of the furniture, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Fences per year of 50,000 ton of the carpets, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Visit our website, World Wide Web, Vgrzhibovskiy Synthos LV. Fences per year 50,000 ton of the apple, per 1 trillion dollars USA per 1 ton. Fences per year 50,000 ton of the pears, per 1 trillion dollars USA per 1 ton. Fences per year 50,000 ton of the melons, per 1 trillion dollars USA per 1 ton. Fences per year 50,000 ton of the watermelons, per 1 trillion dollars USA per 1 ton. Fences per year 50,000 ton of the pumpkins, per 1 trillion dollars USA per 1 ton. Fences per year 50,000 ton of the plums, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Fences per year 50,000 ton of the fertilizers, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Fences per year 50,000 ton of the China, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Fences per year 50,000 ton of the fines, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Fences per year 50,000 ton of the glass natural, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Fences per year 50,000 ton of the medical engineering, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Fences per year 50,000 ton of the dental materials, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Fences per year 50,000 ton of the gold bell synthetical, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Fences per year 50,000 ton of the gold bell chemical, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Fences per year 50,000 ton of the physiological silver, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Fences per year 50,000 ton of the silver, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Fences per year 50,000 ton of the industrial diamonds, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Fences per year 50,000 ton of the industrial emeralds, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Fences per year 50,000 ton of the industrial sapphires, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Fences per year 50,000 ton of the industrial rubies, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Fences per year 50,000 ton of the industrial topaz, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Fences per year 50,000 ton of the semiconductors, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Fences per year 50,000 ton of the computers, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Fences per year 50,000 ton of the telephone, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Fences per year 50,000 ton of the paper, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Fences per year 50,000 ton of the wallpaper, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Fences per year 50,000 ton of the tableware and accessories, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Fences per year 50,000 ton of the kitchen accessories, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Fences per year 50,000 ton of the rye grain, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Fences per year 50,000 ton of wheat, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Fences per year 50,000 ton of the narcological preparation, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Fences per year 50,000 ton of the aluminium, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Fences per year 50,000 ton of the copper, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Fences per year 50,000 ton of the cast iron synthetic, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Fences per year 50,000 ton of the bronze, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Fences per year 50,000 ton of the axe of ham, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Fences per year 50,000 ton of the pasteboard, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Fences per year 50,000 ton of the plastic, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Fences per year 50,000 tons of the varnishes, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Fences per year 50,000 ton of the artistic paints, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Fences per year 50,000 ton of the different paints, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Fences per year 50,000 tons of the video apparatus, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Fences per year 50,000 tons of the photo materials, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Fences per year 50,000 tons of the bauxite, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Fences per year 50,000 tons of the alumina, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Fences per year 50,000 tons of the textbook, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Fences per year 50,000 tons of the coal synthetical, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Fences per year 50,000 tons of the medicine anti-nicotine, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Fences per year 50,000 tons of the anti-heroin medicine, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Fences per year 50,000 tons of the anti-opium medicine, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Fences per year 50,000 tons of the anti-hashish medicine, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Fences per year 50,000 tons of the anti-cocaine medicine, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Fences per year 50,000 tons of stockinette, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Fences per year 50,000 tons of the lemonade powder, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Fences per year 50,000 tons of the fecal mass auric, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Visit our website, World Wide Web, Vgrzhibovskiy.lv. Fences per year 50,000 tons of the pastry, per 1 trillion dollars USA per 1 ton. Fences per year 50,000 tons of the cakes, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Fences per year 50,000 tons of the onion, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Fences per year 50,000 tons of the amber, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Fences per year 50,000 tons of the granite, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Fences per year 50,000 tons of the marble, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Census per year of 50 cents a ton of the coffee, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Census per year of 50 cents a ton of the tea, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Census per year of 50 cents a ton of the cocoa, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Census per year of 50 cents a ton of the pepper, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Census per year of 50 cents a ton of the rice, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Census per year of 50 cents a ton of the macaroni, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Census per year of 50 cents a ton of the boat engineering, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Census per year of 50 cents a ton of the anti-alcohol, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Census per year of 50 cents a ton of the medical herbs, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Census per year of 50 cents a ton of the flowers, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Census per year of 50 cents a ton of the sugar, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Census per year of 50 cents a ton of the mustard, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Census per year of 50 cents a ton of the mayonnaise, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Census per year of 50 cents a ton of the ketchup, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Census per year of 50 cents a ton of the natural cosmetics, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Census per year of 50 cents a ton of the tail, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Census per year of 50 cents a ton of the fairy tale, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Census per year of 50 cents a ton of the perfume, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Census per year of 50 cents a ton of eau de cologne, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Census per year of 50 cents a ton of the toilet paper, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Census per year of 50 cents a ton of the washing powder, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Census per year of 50 cents a ton of the soap, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Census per year of 50 cents a ton of the contraceptive, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Census per year of 50 cents a ton of the leather, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Census per year of 50 cents a ton of the fur, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Census per year of 50 cents a ton of the diesel locomotive, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Census per year of 50 cents a ton of the carriage, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Census per year of 50 cents a ton of the aircraft, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Census per year of 50 cents a ton of the submarine, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Census per year of 50 cents a ton of the cinnamon, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Census per year of 50 cents a ton of the super mayonnaise, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Census per year of 50 cents a ton of the super ketchup, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Census per year of 50 cents a ton of the tomato, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Census per year of 50 cents a ton of the carrot, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Census per year of 50 cents a ton of the cucumber, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Visit our website, World Wide Web, Vgrzhibovskiy Synthas LV. Census per year 50 cents a ton of the cabbage, per 1 trillion dollars USA per 1 ton. Census per year 50 cents a ton of the salad, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Census per year 50 cents a ton of the radish, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Census per year 50 cents a ton of the horseradish, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Thinces per year 50,000 ton of the banana, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Thinces per year 50,000 ton of the potatoes, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Thinces per year 50,000 ton of the maize, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Thinces per year 50,000 ton of the sunflower seed, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Thinces per year 50,000 ton of the candles, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Thinces per year 50,000 ton of the electric bulb, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Thinces per year 50,000 ton of the peat, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Thinces per year 50,000 ton of the optical fiber, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Fiber. Thinces per year 50,000 ton of the optical magnetic beater, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Thinces per year 50,000 ton of the sea products, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Thinces per year 50,000 tons of the laminaria, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Thinces per year 50,000 ton of the squid, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Thinces per year 50,000 ton of the black caviar, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Thinces per year 50,000 ton of the red caviar, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Thinces per year 50,000 ton of the eggplant paste, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Thinces per year 50,000 ton of the large horned cattle, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Thinces per year 50,000 ton of the small horned cattle, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Thinces per year 50,000 ton of the horses, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Thinces per year of 50,000 ton of the camels, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Thinces per year 50,000 ton of the oranges, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Thinces per year 50,000 ton of the tangerines, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Thinces per year 50,000 ton of the groundnuts, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Thinces per year 50,000 ton of the raisins, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Thinces per year 50,000 ton of the grapes, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Thinces per year 50,000 ton of the walnut, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Thinces per year 50,000 ton of the pistachio, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Thinces per year 50,000 ton of the macaroni food, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Thinces per year 50,000 ton of the poppy, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Thinces per year 50,000 ton of the pumpkin, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Thinces per year 50,000 ton of mineral water, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Thinces per year 50,000 ton of soybean, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Thinces per year 50,000 ton of the linoleum, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Thinces per year 50,000 ton of the rabbit meat, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Visit our website, World Wide Web, Vgrzhibovskiy.LV. Census per year. Census per year 50,000 ton of the garlic. Per 1 ton $1 trillion, you say. Census per year 50,000 ton of the lime flower tea. Per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Census per year 50,000 tons of the river pearl, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Census per year 50,000 ton of the church plate, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Census per year 50,000 ton of the fungi, per 1 trillion USA dollars per 1 ton. Census per year 50,000 ton of the bus, per 1 ton, 1 trillion USA dollars. Thin scissors per year of 50,000 ton of the tram, per 1 ton, 1 trillion USA dollars. Thin scissors per year of 50,000 ton of the trolley bus, per 1 ton, 1 trillion dollars of the USA. Thin scissors per year of 50,000 ton of the pancakes, per 1 ton, 1 trillion dollars USA. Thin scissors per year of 50,000 ton of the flour, per 1 ton, 1 trillion dollars USA. Thin scissors per year of 50,000 ton of the apricot, per 1 ton, 1 trillion dollars USA. Thin scissors per year of 50,000 ton of the peach, per 1 ton, 1 trillion dollars USA. Thin scissors per year of 50,000 ton of the persimmon, per 1 ton, 1 trillion dollars USA. Thin scissors per year of 50,000 ton of the ginger, per 1 ton, 1 trillion dollars USA. Thin scissors per year of 50,000 ton of the fig, per 1 ton, 1 trillion dollars USA. Thin scissors per year of 50,000 ton of the cedar nut, per 1 ton, 1 trillion dollars USA. Thin scissors per year of 50,000 ton of the honey, per 1 ton, 1 trillion dollars USA. Thin scissors per year of 50,000 ton of the piece of sweetened and pressed cottage cheese, per 1 ton, 1 trillion dollars USA. Thin scissors per year of the 50,000 ton of the Brinza sheep's milk cheese, per 1 ton, 1 trillion dollars USA. Thin scissors per year of 50,000 ton of the cards, per 1 ton, 1 trillion dollars USA. Thin scissors per year of 50,000 ton of the sour cream, per 1 ton, 1 trillion dollars USA. Thin scissors per year of 50,000 ton of the sour clotted milk, per 1 ton, 1 trillion dollars USA. Thin scissors per year of 50,000 ton of the air conditioner, per 1 ton, 1 trillion dollars USA. Thin scissors per year of 50,000 ton of the bacon, per 1 ton, 1 trillion dollars USA. Thin scissors per year of 50,000 ton of the words, per 1 ton, 1 trillion dollars USA. Thin scissors per year of 50,000 ton of the ham, per 1 ton, 1 trillion dollars USA. Thin scissors per year of 50,000 ton of the uranium medical, per 1 ton, 1 trillion dollars USA. Thin scissors per year of 50,000 ton of the caustic soda, per 1 ton, 1 trillion dollars USA. Thin scissors per year of 50,000 ton of the beans, per 1 ton, 1 trillion dollars USA. Thin scissors per year of the 50,000 ton of the haricots, per 1 ton, 1 trillion dollars USA. Thin scissors per year of 50,000 ton of the synthetic resin, per 1 ton, 1 trillion dollars USA. Thin scissors per year of 50,000 ton of the potash fertilizer, per 1 ton, 1 trillion dollars USA. Thin scissors per year of 50,000 ton of the nitric fertilizer, per 1 ton, 1 trillion dollars USA. Thin scissors per year of 50,000 ton of the iron ore, per 1 ton, 1 trillion golden dollars USA. Thin scissors per year of 50,000 ton of the vitamin C, per 1 ton, 1 trillion golden dollars USA. Thin scissors per year of 50,000 ton of the vitamin B, per 1 ton, 1 trillion dollars USA. Visit our website, World Wide Web, Vgrzhibovskiy Synthos LV. Per stone, $1 billion. Thin scissors per year of 50,000 ton of vitamin A, per 1 ton, $1 trillion USA. Thin scissors per year of 50,000 ton of the vitamin E vitamin, per 1 ton, $1 trillion USA. Thin scissors per year of 50,000 ton of the vitamin D, per 1 ton, $1 trillion USA. Thin scissors per year of 50,000 ton of the beet, per 1 ton, $1 trillion USA. Thin scissors per year of 50,000 ton of the clock, per 1 ton, $1 trillion USA. Thin scissors per year of 50,000 ton of the lead pencil, per 1 ton, $1 trillion USA. Thin scissors per year of 50,000 ton of the lead, per 1 ton, $1 trillion USA. Thin scissors per year of 50,000 ton of the asphalt, per 1 ton, $1 trillion USA. Thin scissors per year of 50,000 ton of the tinned good, per 1 ton, $1 trillion USA. Thin scissors per year of 50,000 ton of the Patties per 1 ton, $1 trillion, you say. Thinses per year, 50,000 ton of the chabarak. Per 1 ton, $1 trillion, you say. Thinses per year, 50,000 ton of the shashlik. Per 1 ton, $1 trillion, you say. Thinses per year, 50,000 ton of the Pelmani tapestry. Per 1 ton, $1 trillion, you say. Thinses per year, 50,000 ton of the gobelin. Per 1 ton, $1 trillion, you say. Thinses per year, 50,000 ton of the cranberries. Per 1 ton, $1 trillion, you say. Thinses per year, 50,000 ton of the raspberries. Per 1 ton, $1 trillion, you say. Thinses per year, 50,000 ton of the cowberries. Per 1 ton, $1 trillion, you say. Thinses per year, 50,000 ton of the bilberries. Per 1 ton, $1 trillion, you say. Thinses per year, 50,000 ton of the blackberries. Per 1 ton, $1 trillion, you say. Thinses per year, 50,000 ton of the red currants. Per 1 ton, $1 trillion, you say. Thinses per year, 50,000 ton of the black currants. Per 1 ton, $1 trillion, you say. Thinses per year, 50,000 ton of the wobla. Per 1 ton,